Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am at Pier 6 in Central on my way to Peng Chau Island. I have the Backfire G3 Plus with me along with the Skydio 2, and we're gonna go do some exploring. So if you're ready, let's go. We just arrived on Peng Chau Island, and one thing about the ferries is that there's a fast ferry which takes about 30 minutes and an ordinary ferry which is about 45 minutes, so no really big difference. But I'm gonna go over to the northeastern part of the island, and I'm gonna go along Peng Yu Path, start my skateboard ride there with the Backfire G3 Plus. It's a nice day out today, not too hot. And one thing about coming on the island during the week, it's not too crowded. Usually on Sundays, usually a very, very busy day. But we're gonna go do a little skateboarding, and then we're gonna go have a little lunch. Hopefully try to find this one restaurant that has some really good dumplings. And all right, I'm gonna go walk over here till I can get started, get my gear on, and we'll start our ride. I'm Robert Van Nortrick. I love to hike, e-board, travel, and I'm hungry for more.
Took some time, but we pointed out that tomorrow isn't here right now, baby. An absent mind came to roam around, captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go. Captured you in a foggy cloud, baby. Standing on my toes on the edge, I'm ready to go. See it clear when the shadows are lit, I'm ready to go.
Well, we're about halfway through on Peng Chau Path, and it's very awesome. Beautiful beaches, great scenery, just some rock climbing, and we got some stairs to negotiate, and then we'll get back on the G3 Plus and finish out the path. What's cool about Peng Chau Island is that they have paths that go around the whole island, plus they have the path that goes up to Finger Hill, which is the highest point on the island at 95 meters. What's very cool is that they have these pavilions all along the paths. So if the sun's too much, you can stop and have a break. You can enjoy the views. It's just beautiful. And I think we're ready to go. Let's go.
Gotta look out for the cops because they already gave me a warning about this. Anyways, I'm back at the pier, ready to catch the ferry back to Central. Had an amazing time on Peng Chau Island. Rode to Backfire 3, about 7 or 8 kilometers today. We saw some awesome beaches and did some rock climbing. And I got to eat my favorite restaurant, Hoi King Seafood, and had some delicious shrimp dumplings. I hope you enjoyed the video,
If you did, please subscribe to my channel, smash that like button. Until next time, everyone, stay safe, live now, wood joy dung ha. Woo!